The county's Department of Economic Development, together with Executive Leggett, celebrated the success of the county's local biotech investment tax credit program. 10 local biotech companies have received nearly $6 million from local investors. The county council approved this legislation 2 years ago. Today, a diverse group of biotech companies are already putting these new investments to work to fight disease and improve the health of our nation right here in our backyard. The biotech tax credit allows investors receiving state tax credits to also receive a supplemental payment from the county based on their investments in local biotech companies.
We have monies available. It will start in July of this year, 2012. But help spread the word that Montgomery County is really open for business, and we take biotech as a serious matter. And we want to thank you for what you've done thus far. We want to build on this program because I think that there's a great deal of success ahead for us.
Montgomery County is one of the, if not the best places for a biotechnology company to locate. And it's not just because of this program, it's because of what your staff does. They've helped us in multiple ways make connections in China, for instance. And this program started as a state program. Obviously very important to many biotechs throughout the state, and having the extra supplement, which you announced last year, at a perfect time, right when we were raising money, really helps. And it really, the magic of this program is that it is an investor-driven program. It's a market-driven program. The investors choose the winners and losers, not the government, not the state. That really it's investors coming in and looking at companies, deciding to make an investment, and then the tax credit and the tax supplement take a lot of the risk off the table. So it is much easier to get an investor to say, okay, yes, I'm going to write the check. And the supplement was, I've talked to a number of investors who have actually gotten their checks, and it's one of these things that no one quite believes it until they actually get a check in their hand. And these investors, called me out of the blue on Thursday, Friday last week. I got my check. I can't believe it. And we even had another investor say, I'd like to do this again next year. And so it's great for the county. I think you've shown great leadership in biotechnology, and we really thank you and the rest of the people who work for the county for helping us, because that's what we need you here for, and that's what you're doing.